Hi, neighbor. We're going on a nature walk. You can come too. We can walk with my mom or with my dad. Who should we walk with this time?
Wonderful! We can go to the bridge and the enchanted garden.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore!
Enjoy your walk together.
I wonder what we're going to find here. Do you see anything we could collect? Leaves can be so many different colors. I love exploring with my mom and with you, neighbor. Let's hop like that frog. Hop, hop, hop. You can try too. Let's hop like that frog. Hop, hop, hop. You can try too. This grass feels smooth. Leaves can be so many different colors. That bug is so shiny. A flower. This one is okay to pick. Do you see anything we could collect for Dad? Look, Mom, a rock. Let's go to the enchanted garden. There's so much to see in the enchanted garden. What do you see? I like this flower for our collection.
We can pick this fruit to bring home. Let's buzz like the bees. Buzz, buzz. You can try too.
Apples are crunchy and yummy too.
Yum! I like strawberries. Blueberries! Yum!
This flower smells good. Have you ever smelled the flower? A rabbit! It's so cute! I can't wait to show Dad what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my dad. What do you think he'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think he'll really like that. Here you go, Dad. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my mom and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?
Tiger-tastic. We can go to Jungle Beach and the woods.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore.
Enjoy your walk together.
There's so much to see at Jungle Beach. Do you see anything we could collect?
What a colorful shell.
I can't wait to tell Mom about all the things we found at the beach. Look, a seagull.
Oh, look, seaweed.
Prince Wednesday likes to collect rocks. Do you have a friend who likes rocks? This seaweed feels slimy.
Oh, look, seaweed.
Let's walk like a hermit crab. You can try too.
You found a rock.
Let's go to the woods. Let's look around and see what we find in the woods. I like this leaf. What colors are the leaves in your neighborhood?
Let's chirp like those birds. Chirp, chirp. You can try too. Tiger-tastic pine cone. Ooh, what an interesting leaf.
An acorn. Maybe Mom would like this. I like this leaf. What colors are the leaves in your neighborhood?
A squirrel. Maybe it's looking for an acorn to eat.
Look, Dad, a pine cone. I can't wait to show Mom what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my mom. What do you think she'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think she'll really like that. Here you go, Mom. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my dad and with you, neighbor.